morning. My name is Cindy Emerson, Director of Instructional Innovation. And if you have a child or know a child that's going to be entering into kindergarten, today is your lucky day. I am coming live from Sebastian Elementary School of the Arts, and I have Principal Tish Hart with me. I have Miss Ashley Kolstad, and they are going to be showcasing some of the awesome things that are going on here at Sebastian. All right, so why are you choosing to bring your child to Sebastian Elementary School?
So I've had my daughter, who's 16 now. She's in Sebastian River High School. She went through here and she had the best experience. The performing arts program was amazing to her, and really she's super successful because of this elementary school. Also, my son is in 5th grade here, and to be honest, he wasn't the easiest to accept education and the fundamentals of reading, but Sebastian Elementary really had him receive it well. And the staff here is amazing. They've been here for so many years and throughout the life of both of my children. And so to see that constant person that I know will be there for them and, you know, stay here for them, from the minute they come in to the time they leave, they have a familiar face, and that's huge to me.
All right, and you shared that you weren't sure what school until today. So what sold you on Sebastian Elementary?
So I decided to bring my daughter here because of the performing arts program, and after finding out the performing arts program, they also have a culinary program because I also went to culinary school, and we have a business named after Aubrey. So she loves to cook, she loves to sing, dance, she's already in performing, she does ballet and gymnastics, so I'm super excited to see her, especially seeing her little cheerleading outfit, and I'm ready to bring her in.
For more information of all of our choice offerings, please visit our Indian River County School District website under School Choice.